So for the last 2 weeks or so, I've been lacking creativity and motivation. Today I decided to challenge myself. I stepped out with no goal or direction and just wanted to shoot the most cinematic sequence possible with the surroundings I had. As a YouTuber, one of my biggest problems is deciding what, where, when to shoot. I'm a big fan of cinematics, so I'm always trying to go to the best spots when the lighting's the best, there's no wind, etc. But when I really think about it, it's more just a form of an excuse, you know? I'll be sitting in my room brainstorming video ideas and I'll come up with some good ones, but then I'll think, oh, I'll go in a couple days when the lighting's better or it's not as windy, and I end up just procrastinating and not creating. Wow, today's the first day that actually feels like spring. Absolutely beautiful. Gonna need to take off my jacket soon. It's about 6 degrees, sun is shining. Feels great, man. So, creative ruts is something I struggle with quite a bit. If you're a subscriber, been watching this channel for a while, you know I always talk about the harms of being a perfectionist and second guessing your craft. For the last 2 weeks, like I said, that's something I've been struggling with quite a bit. But I do find the best way to get out of a creative rut is to actually just get out and create.
Hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. All the good times just begun.
Such a beautiful town, but I kind of wanted to make my way to that magical river that I car camped at that one time to shoot sunset. Man, I can't get over how beautiful of a day it is. I got about a 10-minute drive to the magical river, so let's get moving. Oh man, so as I was peeing, the DJI Mini just flew right over me, so whoever's controlling that drone might have just saw my pecker. Whatever. It's all good in the hood. I'm about to do the same. Let's go have some drone battles. I'll see if I can take them out.
Before I sleep, hear the crickets, see the moon. Side by side and through